we're continuing with our campus travel assignment. We have done parts 1, 2, 3, 4. We just finished specifying the MySQL field types, and now we're going to do part 6. And that is adding the MySQL interface to our WordPress pages. So we're going to start by installing this Base plugin that is used to connect the database to WordPress. Let's go back to our website here, and let's go into our dashboard. And to install the plugin, let's go to Plugins, and let's add new. And over here, we can type Base, enter, and this comes up. Click Install Now. OK. And once it's installed, we can click Activate Plugin. Okay, so here we are. Now we need to fiddle with the settings a little bit. You can either click Settings from here, or you can roll your mouse over Settings and scroll down to Base for MySQL. This is where the settings for Base is. Click that. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set the Disable WP Texturize. And that is so we can use less than or greater than symbols in our shortcodes, which we will see. Next, we also need to specify the database. And so our database name is Campus, capital letters. And that's it. The user is WordPress, so we can just leave it blank. Click Save Changes. And Base should be installed now. So let's see where we are. We have installed Base. And now we're going to add these Base shortcodes to our pages. So the first one we're going to do is we're just going to add this Base here to our database tables page. So let's go over here. Let's go to back to our website, and we can actually select database tables here. And here we go. Let's edit this page, and in the content text box here, we're still in text mode. Just paste in that shortcode, just like that. Click Update. And now let's take a look at this page. And we see that it looks like it is installed correctly. We see the version number. We see the page that we are on here. We see the user, the database, and we also notice that there are 4 tables, and these are how many records there are in each of these tables. So that looks like that works. Let's go back and let's add the second and the third shortcode here. I'm just going to copy this and go back to database tables, click Edit the page, and I'm going to paste those here. And so now I've got the second one lists the agent table, and the third one will list the sale table. This echo here is so we can see the shortcode on the page, and that's for debug purposes. So let's view the page, and now we see, scroll down, we see this is the agent table. We see there are the agent table is connected to the office table. That's why we see the offices here, the corresponding offices. These are our agents, and this is our sale table. It's kind of difficult to see, but we actually see that there's the sale columns, the agent key, which connects to the agent name. We see the agent name here. We see the destination key, which is connected to the destination name, and we also, I know it's very difficult to see here, but we also see that the office location for the agent is also attached to the table here. So we see that all of the relations for the sale table are linked properly, all 30 records here. And so that completes the Base shortcodes that we add to the database tables page. So let's continue here. Let's add this shortcode to the add agent page. This is going to create a form on that page for adding a new agent. Copy, go to my website, and let's go to the add agent page, and I will edit this. And on this, inside the box here, I will paste the shortcode. It's an insert form with a couple of form elements here. Let's click update, and we can view the page, and we see now there's a form here. Very good. And I think we are probably going to test this form a little later. So let's continue. For the add sale page, this shortcode will add a form on the add sale page. Copy. Let's go to add sale. Add sale. Click edit, and let's paste it right in. And so the table is sale. These are the elements in the form. We will see how the date works there. And so let's click update. And let's view this page. And we see we have an add sale form here. We can add in a date. We can select an agent. We can enter an amount. We can select a destination and click insert. And we will test this form later. Let's see what's next. Here's the search sales form. Copy this. Go back to our website. Let's select search sales, and let's edit this page, and right click and do paste. We can paste as plain text, and this will produce a form for searching our sales. One parameter here in the form attribute, this is the page address, the relative page address for the search results page. And we're going to have to modify this because as you remember, we have installed our WordPress inside a subdirectory. So let's first just click update, and let's view this page. And when we try to do a search, let's just search for an agent here and click search. We notice that the page is not found. Really, where we want to be is WordPress /search results. And we see this is the search results page we're looking for. So we need to go back to our search form here, and let's click edit. And in search results, we want to put a prefix or preface this with WordPress. So we are actually in the WordPress subdirectory, and then this is our search page, our search results page. So now when we update this and we view the page, we can do a search for somebody, click search, and now we see we reached our search results page properly. So let's leave this here. Let's go back to our assignment, and the next thing we do is paste in the shortcode for our search results page. So let's copy this and go back to here and click edit. And now we can right click and paste as plain text. And this is our shortcode here now, which will display out the search results of our search sale. sales search. So click update, and let's click, when we click view page, we're actually going to see a list of all of our sales because we did not enter in any search criteria. We just went straight to the page. Let's go back to our search sales page, and now let's enter in a search here. Let's look at Tom Brower. Let's click search, and now we see these are the sales that were added by Agent Tom Brower. The links over here, if we want to edit any of these sales, we can click the date link here, and that takes us to our update page. We have the same problem. We are in a subdirectory, so we actually want to be in WordPress/update sale. And when we do that, press enter, we are in our update sale page. So we need to go back and modify this. This is where it specifies that update sale page right here. Let's edit the page. It is in this R-link attribute. This is the field that we are creating the link for, and this update sale is the page. So let's prefix this with /WordPress because that is the directory that our WordPress is in. You may not have installed your WordPress in a subdirectory. Your WordPress may be installed in the web home directory, in which case you do not need to do this step. Click update, and now when we view this page, we see all of the sales records actually. Click on a date, and that does in fact take us to the update sale page. Now for this page, let's leave it here. Let's go back to our assignment, and we see there are two shortcodes we need to add. One is for delete, and one is to actually make an update. It's a form for actually updating the record, the sale record. So let's copy both of these shortcodes. Copy, and go back to update sale, click edit, and let's paste them both in. Both of them are here. And let's click update. Now, when we view this page, we're not going to see anything because we need to reach this page by clicking on a date link on the search results page. So let's go to our search sales page and test the whole sequence here. Search sales, let's search for somebody and click search. And we see 3 sales. Let's click on a sale. And now we see this is the sale. This is the form if we want to delete the sale, and this is the form we use if we want to update the sale, if we want to change it. We can change any of these. So that's the update page. That's in now, so let's see what's next. The last thing we're going to do here, I think, is to add the agent bookings page. So this shortcode is a little bit more complex. I discussed it in class. Let's go to Campus Travel, Agent Bookings, and click Edit. And let's paste this code in and click Update. And now when we view this page, we see a nice list of all of our agents and the number of sales and the total amount that they have booked, their total sales. So that's what our summary of agent bookings page looks like. And it looks like we've pasted in all of our shortcodes. So let's look at all the pages and then complete these test steps here. So We have our campus travel page. It doesn't have anything on it. We're going to add something to that at the very end. But if we look at our first page here, agent booking, add an agent. We have agent bookings, summary. We have an add sale page. We have a search sales page. And we have our database tables page, of course, lists databases, our sales table, and our agent table. Let's perform these steps. Add myself as an agent. Okay, so I will go back to the add agent form, and I will add myself. And I do happen to live in Hawaii Kai, so I'm going to leave it there and click insert. And we get an acknowledgement here. If we now go to list our agents, let's go to database tables, and we scroll down and we see our agents. We see now the 13th agent is me. So that worked. What's next? Add a $2,500 sale by me to Paris. So let's add a sale. Add sale. And let's make this date. We can actually, it's pretty flexible here. Let's put yesterday. Sorry, it doesn't show here very well. The agent is me. And let's make it for how much? $2,500. $2,500 to Paris. So let's find Paris. Here we go. Click insert. And we see that that this is yesterday's date for $2,500. Let's go look at the database tables page. When we scroll all the way down, we see the last sale is, it's difficult to see, but this is yesterday for $2,500 to Paris by me. Okay, so let's see what's next. Modify the sale, the first sale, which is the $200 sale to Auckland, to have me as the agent. Okay, let's go back and see which sale that is. A $200 to Auckland, and we're going to also change it to me as being the agent, and we're going to change it to $2,200 as opposed to $200. So let's see what that first sale is. It is this to Auckland, $200. Yes, okay. Let's search for that. Search sales. Let's search for Auckland. Click search, and we see this is the $200 sale to Auckland. I'm going to edit this. Click on the date. Scroll down. I'm going to change the agent to myself, and I'm going to change the amount to $2,200. And click update. And now, when we search sales and we select Auckland, we search and we see the first sale is now a $2,200 sale by me. So that part works. The last thing we're going to do here is to search for all the sales by Tom Brower, and we're going to delete the $300 and $320 trip to Moscow booked by Tom. So let's search for Tom. Let's do a search sales. We can search for Tom, and we see here is the $320 sale to Moscow. Click on the date, and we are going to delete this. So click delete. It confirms. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Click OK, and it's deleted. So now when we go back and search sales and search for Tom, we search and we see that $320 sale to Moscow is not here anymore. So the last thing we're going to do, now that we've tested all the codes, all the shortcodes, they all seem to work from our test, we're going to remove all the echo attributes for all the shortcodes. And that'll make it so the shortcodes are not displayed. We're going to leave them on the database tables page. So let's see how we do that. Let's go to the add agent page, and we're going to remove this echo. So let's do that. Delete, update, and view. We see now the add echo is not there. I'm going to speed this up and do this for the rest of the pages. Now when we look at all the pages, we see that the shortcodes are no longer with us. So I believe we have finished with part 6.